What is the one word for lock up or confine, in or as in a jail? The correct answer is immure. What is the one word for relating to the relationship between a wife and husband? The correct answer is conjugal. What is the one word for of or relating to the brain? The correct answer is cerebral. What is the one word for being of the property owning class? The correct answer is bourgeois. What is the one word for model of excellence or perfection of a kind? The correct answer is apotheosis. What is the one word for having keenness and forcefulness and penetration in thought? The correct answer is trenchant. What is the one word for destroy completely, as if down to the roots? The correct answer is extirpate. What is the one word for locating something at a time when it couldn't have existed? The correct answer is anachronism. What is the one word for secret or hidden? The correct answer is covert. What is the one word for a state of extreme poverty or destitution? The correct answer is indigence. What is the one word for harshly ironic or sinister? The correct answer is mordant. What is the one word for relating to or characteristic of or situated on an island? The correct answer is insular. What is the one word for having no definite form or distinct shape? The correct answer is amorphous. What is the one word for extremely wicked? The correct answer is nefarious. What is the one word for of or relating to a corpse? The correct answer is cadaverous. What is the one word for complete denial of established authority and institutions? The correct answer is nihilism. What is the one word for deprive of strength or efficiency, make useless or worthless? The correct answer is stultify. What is the one word for a farewell oration? The correct answer is valedictory. What is the one word for a sudden uncontrollable attack? The correct answer is paroxysm. What is the one word for a short pithy instructive saying? The correct answer is apothegm.